cool is that song? You can do anything. All right. So how are we feeling? How's it going? We've been here for an hour. So if you need to stand up and shake it off or dance it out, that's, that's definitely a good idea. What we're going to go into next is listing out the low priority tasks. So listing out low priority tasks. What this means, these are all the things that we don't necessarily get excited for, but they're really important. For example, in business, maybe the follow-up or posting on social media or whatever it is. Whatever those things are that you don't like necessarily to do, that don't give you energy, list them out. List them out. There might be hundreds. There might be only a couple. So let's get clear on those, because from there we actually delegate or systemize to create systems for you to, because these things are really important. But it's like, what are these tasks that don't bring us, what aren't on our highest values? So they're going to be things that you haven't written down, but are really important for your business, for your life, for your relationships, for your health. And let's get clear on those. And then we'll come to the next section and we'll jump in and see how we go from there. So yeah, next task, just list all, new piece of paper and a page, just listing out all the low priority tasks that aren't giving you excitement. Ready, set, go. Oh, good, Claire. Oh, good. So next step here is step number 4. So we've gone through the values. We've figured out what brings us joy and our highest values in life. We've then figured out what it takes to fulfill our highest values. And we've scheduled those, step 3, into the calendar, or a couple of those at least. Now, step 4 is we're going to list out all the tasks, all the actions throughout the week, throughout the month, that don't bring you joy, that don't bring you excitement, that you don't love, that you might despise or hate, or it's just like irritating and frustrating and annoying, right? Let's go there for a second. List out all the tasks that are frustrating, that are annoying, that are there. So just a new piece of paper, a new heading, low priority tasks. And the whole idea here, homeschooling. Yeah, okay, perfect. And just getting clear on them, instead of like keeping them in the background. Let's just put them on a piece of paper and let's call in a possibility of creating a system or delegating, or someone else who loves homeschooling, or maybe someone loves the follow-up, maybe someone loves the creating content, whatever's on this list, cleaning, cooking, driving, gym, right? We're going to systemize or create some other way of still getting these low priority tasks done, because they're really important. Paying taxes, or organizing your finances, budgeting, accounting, those aren't high on my priority list, but there's a way of shifting that. And so we'll talk about that in a moment. But the first step is just list all the stuff for business, for life, for relationship that you'd like to, that are low as a priority. Does that make sense?